Junior 5. How are you? I wish you are fine. Today we are going to talk about the human circulatory system. Circulatory system, the system which carries the digested food, water, oxygen gas to all body cells, and carries the carbon dioxide gas and wastes from the body cells to get rid of them outside the body. The circulatory system consists of the heart, the blood vessels. Again, circulatory system consists of three parts: the heart, blood vessels. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart, muscular hollow organ in the size of the fist. Muscular hollow organ in the size of your fist. Its location lies in the chest cavity between the two lungs, slightly inclined to the left. In chest cavity or abdominal cavity? No, in the chest cavity between the two lungs, slightly inclined to the left. The function of the heart: pumps the blood to all the body parts. Pumps the blood to all. Heart divided into two sides, left and right, separated by wall to prevent mixing blood. Consists of four chambers. Two upper chambers called atrium. Two lower chambers called ventricle. There is wall between atrium and ventricle to allow blood to move in one direction from atrium to ventricle and to prevent returning back again. The valves. Between each atrium and ventricle, there is valve to allow the blood to flow from the atrium to the ventricle, not back again. So blood moves in one direction. Blood moves in one direction. The two atria receive blood at the same time. The two ventricles pump blood at the same time. Valve, there is valve between atrium and ventricle to allow blood to move in one direction from atrium to ventricle and prevent returning back. Let's know the types of blood vessels. The blood vessels include the arteries, the veins, the blood capillaries. The arteries, they emerge from the heart. They carry the blood from the heart to all body cells. They are thick blood vessels, not thin, to pump blood all over the body parts. Arteries carry blood from heart to all body parts. The veins, they carry blood from all body parts to the heart. Vein carry blood from all body cells to the heart. The third type of blood vessels, the blood capillaries, connect the end of arteries and beginning of veins, allow passing gases and food to body cells. Blood capillaries, ending of artery and beginning of vein. Types of blood vessels. Arteries emerge from the heart. They are thick, carry blood from heart to all body cells. Veins, they are thin. They carry blood from all body cells to the heart. Blood capillaries, they are network of tiny blood vessels with very thin walls. They have very thin walls to allow passing gases and food to body cells and get out carbon dioxide and wastes from body cells. Endings of arteries and beginnings of veins. The third component of circulatory system, the blood. It's a red liquid that circulates inside the body. Red liquid rotates inside our body. It's in a liquid state. Why? Due to the presence of the plasma, which is in a liquid state. Components of the blood: red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, and blood platelets. The blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, the platelets. Red blood cells. Red cells without nucleus. They carry oxygen gas from lungs to all body cells and carry carbon dioxide gas from body cells to the lungs. So, red blood cells carry gases, oxygen gas from lungs to cells and carry carbon dioxide gas from cells to the lungs. The second component of blood, the white blood cells. White cells with different forms of nuclei. Its function, attack the microbes and destroy them. Looks like army. White blood cells defend us against microbes by attacking the microbes and destroy them. The third component of blood, the plasma. A yellow liquid in which all the blood components are found in liquid. So, blood is in liquid state due to presence of plasma, which is yellow liquid. Its function, carries digested food from small intestine in digestive system to the body cells and carries the wastes of food from the body cells to excretory system. So plasma, its function, carrying foods and wastes. Carries foods from digestive system, from small intestine to all body cells. Then carry wastes from cells to excretory system. The last component, blood platelets. They are small cell parts. Importance for the blood clotting. They are responsible for formation blood clotting to stop bleeding from wounds and help in healing the wounds. Again, blood consists of red blood cells, white blood cells, the plasma, and blood platelets. Red blood cells, red cells without nuclei. There is no nucleus inside red blood cell. They carry oxygen gas from the lungs to all body cells. Then carry carbon dioxide gas from cells to the lungs. White blood cells, white cells with different forms of nuclei. So there is nucleus inside white blood cell. Its function, attack the microbes and destroy them. So they defend us against microbes. The plasma, yellow liquid in which all blood components are found in liquids. It carries digested food from small intestine to all cells. Then carries wastes of food from cells to excretory system. Platelets, they are small cell parts. They are important for the blood clotting to stop bleeding from wounds. Heart and blood circulation system. Blood circulation. Blood transfers from left atrium to left ventricle through valve. Left ventricle pushes the blood through aorta to all body cells. Blood transfers from all body cells and returns back to the heart through vena cava veins into right atrium. From right atrium to right ventricle through valve. Right ventricle pushes the blood through pulmonary artery to the lungs to exchange gases and returns back to the heart through pulmonary veins inside left atrium. From left atrium to left ventricle, and left ventricle pushes the blood through aorta to all body cells and returns back from body cells to the heart through vena cava veins inside right atrium, and so on. The blood path in the human body. Blood circulation. Blood returns from all body cells to right atrium inside the heart through vena cava veins. From right atrium through valve, blood transfers to right ventricle. Right ventricle pushes the blood through pulmonary artery to lungs to exchange gases. Get oxygen gas from the lungs. Blood transfer from two lungs through pulmonary veins and returns back to the heart inside left atrium. Blood transfers from left atrium through valve to left ventricle. Left ventricle pushes the blood through aorta to all body cells. Again, inside all body cells, deoxygenated blood carry carbon dioxide gas, returns back to the heart through vena cava from right atrium through valve to right ventricle, from right through pulmonary artery to the two lungs to exchange gases and get oxygen gas, through pulmonary veins to left atrium, from left atrium to valve to left ventricle, through aorta to all body cells. The heart beats. The number of heartbeats 70 beats per minute in the wrist. The number of heartbeats increases during physical activities. Why? We need more energy, so the heart pumps more blood with oxygen to burn more food to provide us with energy. How to keep the circulatory system healthy? Keep exercising. They make the heart muscle stronger. Eat balanced meals with low fat and salts. Avoid smoking because it damages the heart and respiratory system. Thank you, Junior 5, and goodbye.